Ni hao, welcome to 1 Minute Chinese. 1 minute a day makes your Chinese great. In this lesson, we will talk about the final, yao. When you see the English letter IAO in Pinyin, the pronunciation is yao. Yao is a combination of the Mandarin Chinese E and Ao sound. When you pronounce the Yao sound, first pronounce the Mandarin Chinese E sound like the Y in the English word yes with spread lips. Then pronounce the Mandarin Chinese Ao sound like the OW in the English word coward, but with less emphasis on the W sound. Let's try to combine them. E, Ao, Yao. E, ow, yow. Say yow. Now, mimic the mouth shape in the video carefully and repeat after it. Yow, 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 yow. When the final yao is not following an initial or consonant, it is spelled as YAO and pronounced yao. Pronunciation exercise for yao sound. Let's combine the initial m, the final yao, and the high pitch first tone all together. M, yao, meow. Repeat after me. M, yao, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow is a cat's meow in Chinese. Let's combine the initial qi, the final yao, and the high pitch first tone all together. Qi, yao, qiao. Repeat after me. Qi, yao, qiao. Qiao, qiao, qiao. Qiao is to knock in Chinese. Question. When you see IAO and YAO in Pinyin, how would you pronounce them? The answer is yao. Are there any topics that you're interested in learning Chinese? Feel free to comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. 1 minute Chinese a day makes your Chinese great. Have a blessed day.